Playing right now. All right, get ready.
Is he doing?
Put it on speaker. Here.
Is it going? Oh shit. Сәлем достар.
Сәлем достар.
Бүгін қаңтардың 27-сі. Бүгінгі влогымызда біз экспоға 4 ай қарсаңында жалпы Астана қаласында шетелдік турист болу қалай екендігі тақырыбы төңірегінде болады. Бұл шараға маған Генри есімді досым көмектеседі. Генри туралы айтатын болсам, Генри Ұлыбританияның азаматы, Ноттингемнен болады. Hello, Henry.
Hello.
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay, everyone. The first place that I'm going to call is the airport. And I'm going to ask them directions from Kabanbai Batir here through to the airport. Okay, let's go. Hello, can I speak in English, please?
No English.
Oh, okay.
One moment.
Hello?
Please call by number
7
5
7156 7156 6.
That's all.
Okay, Rahmet, sağ bulunuzlar.
Playing right now.
All right,
Get ready.
is he doing?
Put it on speaker. Here.
Is it going? Oh shit.
Okay, now for the next one. This time I'm going to ring the police to see if they can give me any tourist advice about my trip to Borovoy. So, here we go. 102 call. Speaker. Hello, can I speak in English, please? She said, wait a minute.
Yep.
Hello? Hello, can I speak in English? Yes.
Yes, I speak English.
Oh, thank you. I am a tourist from England,
Yes.
and I want to go to
From England.
yes.
What happened?
I want to go to Borovoy,
Okay.
and I want to ask you, is it a safe place for tourists to go to Borovoy? Is it okay to go to Borovoy? Is it safe? Is it safe place? Are there a lot of criminals or crime in Borovoy, or is it okay to go there?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
I understand you want to go to the Paraguay, yes?
Yes.
Today?
At the weekend. At the weekend.
At the weekend?
Yes. On Saturday and Sunday.
Uh-huh.
Is it a good place to go? I mean,
It's a good place.
yes, it is safe. It is safe for tourists.
Uh-huh.
Okay then. Oh, I am going to drive. Is it?
Going to, you have a car?
Yes.
You rent car?
Yes, I rented a car. So can I drive to Borovoy?
Sir.
Yes.
You can download the map of the Costanay city.
Okay.
Costanay city. Your phone to download the map.
Okay. Download a map of
Download the map.
Costanay City.
Or you can buy a map of the city.
A map of Borovoy.
The map of Paraguay.
Yes. And I can download it from the internet.
Yes. To give, you know.
Thank you very, very much. Can I ask you, what is your name, please?
My name is Chingiz.
Chingiz. Chingiz. And what is your second name?
My second name, Lesov.
Pardon?
Lesov.
Klesov.
Lesov, yes.
Nice to meet you, Chingiz. Yes. If I have any more questions, can I call you?
Yes, you can. You can call anytime.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Rahmet.
Ahmed.
Sabıldızlar. Sabıldızlar.
All right.
He was good. So, I think that was quite successful. Okay, everyone. This time, I'm going to ring the ambulance service. I'm going to ask them if, as a tourist, I can call them in case of an emergency. Here we go. 103.
No, just one or two. You dial 6 without 6.
103.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Здравствуйте, вы дозвонились до оператора скорой помощи города Астанады. Наш разговор записывается.
Oh.
Скоро, здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Can I speak in English, please?
Алло.
Yes. Can I speak to someone in English, please? Do you speak English?
No.
Oh, Rahmet. Sabılınızda. I'm a dead man.
Yep.
All right.
Right now.
All right,
You
yeah,
get ready.
is he doing
I'll
it?
put it on speaker. Here.
Is it going? Oh shit.
Hello again, everyone. This time I'm going to call the rescue service. Once again, I'm going to ask them if, as a tourist, I can call this number if necessary. Here we go. 112. Hello. Do you speak English, please?
Алло.
Yes. Can I speak to you? Oh, she hung up.
Oh.
Oh. You are putting me through hell at the moment. This is... Okay, everyone. This time I'm going to ring Expo 2017. Okay? Now, I'm sure that somebody there speaks English. Here we go. Here we go. Hello, I am a tourist from England. Do you speak English?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yes, I want to ask you a few questions about Expo.
What about?
Okay, when does it start?
It's gonna start on June 10th. It's gonna last 3 months.
Okay,
September 10th.
June until
September.
September. Okay, 3 months. Thank you. And I noticed that they are building a what's the name of the shopping centre?
Mega Super.
Yes. When will the mega shopping centre be open? Do you know?
Honestly, I don't know, but I guess it's gonna open in March, maybe.
Thank you. Let me ask you another question about Expo. What kind of attractions will I be able to see at Expo?
I'm gonna give you a number of the park of just one moment.
Yes. No hurry, I'm waiting.
Can you write down the number?
Yes.
It's gonna be 93
Yes.
88
93
8806
8806
or 93 8778.
So 938806 or 938778.
Right.
Okay. Can I ask you, in case I call back, can I ask you your name, please?
My name is Alina.
How do you spell that?
Aliya.
Oh, Alia.
Right.
Oh, Alia, what is your surname, please?
What do you need it for?
Because I'm just really interested in Kazakh names.
All right.
But my name is Henry Robinson.
You're calling from?
I'm calling from Astana. I'm a tourist here. So, what's your surname?
Isakbolova.
Iksakbolova. Okay. Thank you very, very much, Alia.
You're welcome.
You were very, very helpful to me. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Right now.
Alright,
You get
yeah,
ready.
is it going?
Put it on speaker. Here.
Is it going? Oh shit.
This time, I'm going to ring the city administration. That's the mayor's office. And I'm going to ask about whether it's safe to walk around, travel around in the center of Astana at night. Here we go. Just a minute. Okay, let's try the different number. Here we go. I have a feeling they're not going to answer.
Yeah.
It's the mayor's office, so they're just busy. Hello again, everyone. This time I'm going to ring the Yesel district local government. I'm going to tell them that my parents are coming next week and I want to know what the conditions on the roads will be, because at the moment with all that snow and ice it looks a little bit dangerous. So here we go. Both local government places, yeah. Hello, can I speak in English, please?
No. Russian.
You don't speak English?
No.
Oh, Rahmet.
Colleagues.
Oh,
Russian.
yeah, your friends, do they speak English?
Colleagues.
What's your name? What is your name, please? Altanai. Familia? Your familia? Oh, can you help me? Yes. Do you speak English? Okay. So I am a tourist.
What do you want?
I am a tourist.
What is it?
Tourist.
No. You are tourist?
Yes, I am a tourist.
Yes.
And in Astana there is a lot of snow and ice. And tomorrow,
Yeah.
will there be a lot of snow and ice on the street? Because my parents are very old and they can't.
Your street. Which street?
Kaban by Batir.
What?
Kaban by Batir.
Abambai.
Yes, there's a lot of snow and ice. Will it be like this tomorrow?
Listen, you must to write a letter for us, for our, how say, who is,
Do you have an email address? Email address?
yes,
Can you give me your email address, please?
Yesil Akimat.
Yesil Akimat. Yes.
No.
Yesil Akimat at Aruba.
What?
Yesil Akimat, yes.
Just a moment.
Okay.
Shooting gallery. No. Dash.
Oh, dash. Yesil Akimat dash.
Akimat dash and 2012.
2012
Yes. Email. No.
at. Okay, yes. Yeah.
That's all.
Oh.
Mail.
R-U, yes, Ru. Dot.
Mail.
Oh, yeah, oh. Mail.
Mail that true.
Mail.ru. Mail.ru. Okay, Rahmet. Sabılsın.
You understand me?
Yes, I understand you. Yesil Akimet at dash 2012.
To our
Yes. To your office.
yes, to our office.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright,
Right now.
alright,
You get
yeah,
ready.
is he doing
I'll
it?
put it on speaker. Here.
Is it going? Oh shit. I don't know. What the fuck is this?
Сонымен достар, қала басқармаларына телефонмен звондап көмек сұрауға тырыстық турист ретінде. Ең бірінші хабарласқан жеріміз Астаналық әуежай аэропорты болды. Өкінішке орай ол жердегі қызметкерлер басты телефонға жауап берген кезде ағылшын тілінде жауап бере алмады. Екінші звондаған жеріміз ол полиция қызметі болды. Олардың Шыңғыс Тілесов есімді қызметкердің жұмысы бізге өте жақсы ұнады. Ағылшын тілі ол кісінің ағылшын тілі жетік болмаса да, бірақ тырысып гендерге көмектесуге тырысты. Үшінші жер ол жедел жәрдем бөлімшесіне хабарластық. What can you say about ambulance?
The ambulance, I don't think they were very good at all. It was the police that was a good one. The ambulance,
Oh, yeah.
I don't think they could help. It was the police, wasn't
Yeah.
it? It was the better one. The ambulance, as far as I remember, they couldn't help me at all.
Yes.
Yes.
Өкінішке орай, жедел жәрдем қызметі тіпті бізді түсінген жоқ, ешқандай көмек көрсете алмады. Үшінші хабарласқан мекеме құтқару мекемесі болды. Do you remember? Rescue service?
Yes. Also, they couldn't help me either. I was trying to say that my plan was to go to Borovoy and whether I would be able to ring this number. She understood a few words, not enough to be able to answer my question.
Өкінішке орай, құтқару қызметі де бізге көмек көрсете алмады, бізді түсінген жоқ. Бесінші хабарласқан мекеме бұл экспо әкімшілігі болды. Ол жерде жағдай жаман емес. Алия Исағұлова атты қызметкер бізге керек сұрақтарға жауап беріп, көмектесуге тырысты. Бұл жақсы деп санаймын. Кейін біз басты қалалық әкімшілікке хабарласуға тырыстық, бірақ өкінішке орай ешкім телефондарға жауап берген жоқ. Мүлде жауап берген жоқ. Және де ең соңғы хабарласқан мекеме ол Есіл ауданының әкімдігі болды. So the last place, do you remember?
Yes, that was Yesel district.
Yep.
Yes. She had nearly no English, but she did try. No, I can't say she had nearly no English. I'd say that she could speak English, only very familiar things. Yeah. So if I was talking about how are you, what time is it, things like that, yes, but not much more than that.
Есіл әкімдігінің қызметкерінің аты Алтынай Жақсылық болды. Ол кісінің ағылшын тілі аз болса да, бірақ бізге көмектесуге тырысты. Оған да біз үлкен алғысымызды айтамыз. Бүгінге айтарымыз осы. Назарларыңызға көп рахмет. Thank you, Henry.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.